this video have been on for a while. I'm going to pause it and I'm going to continue playing it. Do you see now? It has been on for a while. So if you have a PC, you have a laptop, you can do this. Just put it in any of the streaming app. OBS. This is a paid streaming app, because for you to be able to loop this video, you have to use Restream, and Restream is paid. So you can see here that 1,200 people are watching it. They are using this for sleeping, to be able to help them sleep, to be able to help them relax, to be able to help them fall asleep, to be able to help them remove their mind from so many things, to be able to make them have peaceful moments. You can do this to get your 4,000 watch hour. So if you have little cash to spare and you are still struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour, go and upgrade your Restream or your OBS, either of those two, or your, which one is that other one again? The other one, I talked about that other one. I will remember. I'll put it in the if I remember it, I'll put it in the screen. The other one, just try and upgrade your account and then loop your video. Looping of video is not bad. You can use it to get your watch hour. You can see this thing is playing. It's playing and it's playing and it's playing. You can see it is just one picture. It is one picture that is here, and this channel has, let's go to this channel so you see. I'm using this channel as a case study. You can see that it's having only one picture here for relaxation, for this, for that. Now this is not a static content, because you'll be able to monetize this. Do you understand? Now these are the videos. You can see the video has a very good amount of views. Look at the videos here. Just something that I have taught in my channel before. How can you get this type of this thing? You can use AI to get it. You don't need to go to Chrome and download anybody picture anymore. You don't need to go to Pinterest and download anything. You can get this using your Chrome browser. Now what I notice about this thing is that this is not even downloaded. This is recorded directly from the phone. You can see the way the rain is pouring and the street light is shining above that tree. This is recorded directly from the phone, and I don't even know, this might even be recorded for like hours. This was recorded for like 1 hour. So for you to remove yourself from this static content and repetitive content, you can take your phone and record it for another like 1 hour to 2 hours. Just be recording as the rain is pouring. Do you understand? Then you can go to your CapCut. If you know that, okay, the rain has poured finish and you did not get enough video, you can go to your CapCut and duplicate the video to give you this 1 hour. Now when you do that, YouTube is not going to see it as a repetitive content. YouTube is not going to see it as a looped content. YouTube is going to see it as a normal content that you just put on your channel. Now this, remember, this is for just getting your 4,000 watch hour only, not for having an entire YouTube page like this, because there is a very high chance that you might not get monetized with this type of content. But let's check, let's see if this channel is monetized. We are going to know today. So let me check, copy the ID of this channel and then check it monetized. So just put it in your tracker. So what I'm saying is that this method you are going to do is just for the live stream only, for that particular time, just for the live stream only. Once you do it for live stream only and you do it repetitively for a few days, you are going to see massive results. There is a lot of ways that you can be able to monetize your channel on this YouTube platform. There are various types of ways to monetize your channel. So you don't need to stick to just one method. You don't need to stick to just one pattern. You can do so many patterns to monetize your channel, and once you've gotten your 4,000 watch hour and you have uploaded videos on your channel, you have uploaded more videos on your channel, then you can now delete those videos or unlist those videos later. Now let's see what is going to bring out. This channel is not monetized. You see, this channel is not monetized even after the whole views. This channel is not monetized. Do you see what I'm saying now? That is it. This channel is not monetized. So okay, now, so you can use this to get your 4,000 watch hour. This particular method is what I explained in my video that has over 12,000 views. Use it to get your 4,000 watch hour. Upload your normal videos, wait for 60 days before you can now apply for the monetization program. When you apply for the monetization program, then you can unlist those videos, because you will have gotten your 4,000 watch hour. If that is fine for you, fine. But what I will tell you is the safest way. I will tell you to do this. The safest way that is not going to get you any copyright or anything is to make sure that you are changing the images. Make sure you are changing the images at interval. Make sure that you are changing the images at interval, just like the way I did it here on my channel. Now let me show you something. Now this is how I did it on my channel. Just look at it, because this live stream is better for you, but you can use your own as rain and whatever stuff. Look at this. This is 3 months ago and it gave me 1.5k views. Now look at how I was able to change this. Do you see that ads are playing on this? Do you see? Now it is, when I was playing the other channel there was no ad. Now this is how you are going to achieve this. Let this ad finish playing and I'm going to show you how you can achieve it. Now this is very easy. You can either do this same method, or you do that other method I've told you, but you have to be changing the image. Now I'm going to show you that this image changed at some point. Look at it now. The image has changed. I put in my name, I was interacting, I was writing everything on this live stream. I was practically talking on this live stream. Do you see all the things I was saying on this live stream? Many people have used this exact method that I've used here to monetize their channel, and that is what gave me almost all the watch hours I have now. So you are going to keep doing this one. Make sure it is engaging, very, very engaging. Make sure it is engaging. You are engaging on them, you are talking. Just find what suits you. It can be a Bible verse, it can be a rain falling, it can be anything. Just find what suits you. Ask ChatGPT, should give you ideas on what is going to be very engaging. This method is going to be very safe for you. It's not going to give you any monetization. It's not going to give any monetization issues. It's not going to give you any issues at all. This method is very engaging. So now, when I started this video, look at what I started it with. So do you see now that I use almost 3 images here, and at intervals you are seeing that it's giving me all the words that I've been, all the interaction that I've been doing on this channel here at intervals that I'm going. So this live lasted for 3 hours. Imagine I was able to do this live stream for more than 3 hours. And imagine that. And again, what I need to tell you is your live stream needs to be in this method. Vertical method. Let it be in this frame, in 9:16. Let it be in this frame. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time and you are looking into monetizing your YouTube channel, monetizing your Facebook, and you want to create AI videos with free tools, subscribe to my channel right now. It is free of charge. Just hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put it in the comment section whatever it is that is your challenge, or getting your watch hour, or your Facebook, or your AI. Whatever is the challenge, just put it in the comment section. Whatever is your thought on this video, put it